Greetings from TaiyangNews. I'm Shravan Chunduri, Head of Technology at TaiyangNews. The team of TaiyangNews is currently on the floors of SNEC in Shanghai. Right now, I am at the booth of SolarSpace. SolarSpace is one of the leading cell maker. Actually, they are number 2 globally in cells, and they have also ventured into the module supply. Right now, I am here with Tony Wong, who is a global technical head at SolarSpace, and Tony is going to give us more details about their products that they are currently promoting at the show. Tony.
Thank you. Yeah, we are one of the leading solar cell and module manufacturer, and we are actually the top 2 solar cell manufacturer in terms of global shipments last year. And we are also like a Bloomberg Tier 1 solar module manufacturer. We have over 50 gigawatts solar cell capacity and around 10 gigawatts module capacity around the world. All right, so first, I'd like to introduce you some of our mainstream products that we are showcasing at this show. So first, HJT. It's going to be our next generation technology with the maximum power output of mass production up to 740. We are going to launch this new product in near future. And it features low temperature coefficient with the coefficient down to 0.25% and also high bifaciality. So those 2 are our mainstream N-type modules, mainly for utility scenario. So SSA stands for rectangular solar module, and S9 stands for G12 solar module. And we have carbon footprint and also EPD certification for those products. Okay, so this is the lightweight module we specially developed for the residential scenario. We use 1.6 millimeter thick glass at both front and the rear sides, which not only ensures the power output, but also reduces the weight of a module significantly. Thank you.